Hello and welcome again, my beautiful people. This morning I'll be doing some work on this premises here. Guys, look at this house here. I want to give you a little history about this house. This house is haunted. I did a lot of work on the interior, and guys, this house is haunted. It used to be a nursing home, and guys, when I was working there, let me tell you something. There are several times I run outside because creepy things is going on. Some people say don't believe in anything, but trust me, I hate inside of that building. It's creepy in there. Anyway, guys, I'll be doing some repairs on this fence right here. So I'll be fixing this fence today. A tree fell on it, so what I'll be doing, I'll be taking out a section of this fence and change the top rail over there. That's what I'll be doing this morning. So guys, this is a fence that I did the repair job on. I didn't have anyone to film for me, and I did not carry my tripod, so guys, I didn't get to show you that part, but I have other areas that I'll be fixing today. See that, guys? I changed the whole top rail and put in new fence right there, as you can see. So guys, look at this house, guys. As I said, guys, this house here, there's a lot of things that's going on in this house, and if anybody ever talk about supernatural or unnatural stuff, guys, trust me, I've encountered inside here. This used to be a place where people, like a nursing home type setting, and now it's gonna be the same all over again, guys. It's spooky, especially down in the basement. Guys, let me see if I could take you guys down there. So guys, I think somebody's down here doing some work. So guys, even this building, I power wash this whole building, and guys, you see up there, it's very scary to go up there. I'm tell you something, it wasn't a easy job to go up there and power wash this building. But they are soon getting ready to occupy this place now. This guy, let me tell you something, going up there, guys, was scary. Just didn't had a chance to record that. So right about here now, I'll be putting a ADA ramp right here. So I'm gonna put an ADA ramp right here for the wheelchair to be able to pass here, so that they can access this area. So guys, they're doing some work, and up there is like a little playground, but that won't be a playground anymore. It will be a recreation area for, you know, the people that smoke. They could go up there. So guys, I'm gonna get ready to continue with the fence that I was on. So guys, I will be continuing with this section, this fence.
I left this band on it to straighten it up. So I'm gonna put a little more tension to drive twice. So I put on these bands right here. Then I have right here to straighten it. To get this up. Right? So this is my come along right now. So this should pull the fence up. Pulls up like an arm. Get this. Do some tension. What happened, guys? The tree, felling it. All of this right here, push it up, so it's not gonna be 100, but at least I'll be able to stop it back right here, so it doesn't go down. That's what I'll be doing. So only a few straps right now, and then I'll be done. Then I move on to another section. Thing here, I have no idea, I don't play with it. Still something. I got burned by it before. Until it goes nice. I will cut this out, but I just don't want the stain come off and didn't. certificate. And guys, this is so simple technique because I didn't take my come along with me, so I had these straps that I used to do my ladder on top of the van, so I just improvise and use it. And it worked.
Woo.
So that's it, guys. I'll be moving to another section, and
I have to cut out another section and splice it because somebody used something and cut the fence. So guys, you can see they're getting ready to occupy this place, so there's a lot of activities here today. More and more workers are coming in to have this place ready. Guys, I'm just walking down here to get a measurement. I don't want to have to drive and come back up. I'm just gonna walk and then I'll be coming back this side. So right here I'll be taking out a section of this fence right here. See that? I have to fix it, so I'm gonna be cutting from right here to right here, which is about let me see how wide this is. So I'll be taking out a 3 feet section right here. So I'm gonna cut this out and then add a piece inside. And I'm down here now. And right here I'll be taking out this section of the pipe right here. I'll be joining right here to this side. So I have to take this piece out and pull this up just like I did on the top up there. So this is about let me see how much from so right here, guys, I'll be cutting a piece now, 9 foot 4 to go here. 9 feet 4. I'll be cutting for that.
one more to the other side. Okay.
Guys, this is how I do this. This is how I'm patching this, right? I cut a piece out and then I plot it. I wind this down so this would be coming down like that, and then it will be closed. So guys, you see how that's how I get it back. So I'm just gonna wind this down 2 more slots and I'll be alright. This is my tensioner right here, and I'm gonna use this to hold the fence in place. So
And then I said,
stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'll be joining this area now. So I'm gonna plait this piece right down the center, and I'll be good. Guys, you see they are making all this preparation now for occupancy. There's a lot of work that going on in this place, a lot of construction work, especially on the interior. A lot of work. This house was like really messed up. Guys, I don't know how these guys handle the poison ivy, but guys, for me, I wouldn't be going over there. That thing burns your skin out. I remember getting hit by poison ivy and I had to go to the doctor for that. So I don't know how these guys do it. I mean, this one here with the blower, he's protected, but the other one over there, there's nothing to protect his arm and his face.